going to Rock City. It's like beautiful, like nature exploring.
See the stuff around it.
Needle's eyes. You get to
Guys.
Please sit through there. Come on. Come on. Go first. Okay.
Oh, I don't have to squeeze. I'm fine. Guys, I'm fine. We made it.
We made it through Needle's Eye, and it was really fun to go through.
You had to squeeze, but I was just walking like this.
Yeah, we just walking. So let's keep going.
More stairs.
It's like down in like a glider or something, and by the fountain, and there's a gnome down there in the train. Oh yeah, it's a gnome house. Whoa.
Oh, look at all the working gnomes.
They're mining. I see, because you see the little mining.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh, and there's another house.
Whoa. What was that?
Okay, that was it. I'm the swinging bridge because it's probably gonna be more cooler. The long bridge or stone bridge?
That's Swing Along Bridge.
Yep, this way. Hey guys! Hey guys! This is so fun! Look guys, look at it. It's beautiful.
This really is.
We made it, guys!
We made it.
Whoa! That is awesome.
Whoa!
That will be a great venture.
I know, right?
Everything just got closer. There's the house I saw from the binoculars. Woo! But we are very, very, very high up. This is so fun.
Hey guys, this is really awesome. We are really high up. It's kind of spooky, but you can see a lot of things.
And when I came here, I was like, whoa, this is so fascinating. Look at that. I'm speechless. Speechless. Man, that thing is so close up. You can see so much and it focused so well. Like you can see stuff all the way over there. It's so cool. Leave a comment if you think we have the guts to zip line.
Yeah, because I think we can.
Yeah, I think I can because I am strong and I like to try new things.
We can.
Yeah, we can.
That is amazing. So Z-Gang, we're about to go to the Fat Man Squeeze, and like we're really excited because we're gonna be all up in there, and it's gonna be really fun.
I can't wait to experience it.
All right, Z-Gang, we're about to do the Fat Man Squeeze. It's like two rocks coming together, but they're really not moving together. They're just really, together, tight, like stuck, and so you got to squeeze through there. So
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go. I got this.
Oh, you totally got this.
I'm gonna turn this away just in case.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm good, guys. I'm good.
We made it through the Fat Man Squeeze.
Oh my god, this is over.
It's not funny.
This is Fairy Tale Caverns.
Actually trail down the steps. Hey guys, we're at the Fairy Tale Caverns.
Not yet. We're almost there though. Like we're really close there.
Oh,
I remember this.
whoa, Zigan, you gotta come see this.
And then the next is the Rainbow Hall with rainbow windows.
This is cool.
I know, right? Welcome to the Rainbow Hall.
Guys, this is so amazing. Whoa, look through the windows.
It made all the like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and some purple over there. Oh, and a bit of pink, say just
Pink?
Just some pink right here.
It made everything the colors of the rainbow. Hey, there's the gnome that was standing on the rock.
Look at that gnome just having his.
It would still feel so good to jump in that water. It is like super hot right here, guys. Water fell on my nose. We're gonna go in the hall. Mountain King.
Well, let's see what. Oh, you hear water?
Oh, these are big steps.
This is moonshine steel.
It's a way for them to escape.
Well, come on, let's keep going.
Fairyland Cabin.
I don't like it. Those domes are creepy. They're creepy. Go. Creepy daddy.
I might be scared. Hey Z-Gang, guess who was scared? The tour guide, my sister. She had been here before. I thought it was pretty cool.
Music was creepy.
Yeah, you like that dude from Hey Owner.
The belt store.
Bits or bacon and cheese crickets.
Or salt and vinegar crickets. They may taste
Or what? Suckers. These are gonna be for the losers in the challenge.
right.
So leave a comment down below if you think we should get the sucker, the larvets, or the crickets. I would rather get the sucker. Though it would have some sweetness.
I would rather get the crickets. No, the larvets, the larvets.
I didn't do anything. Okay. Something on the bag. Okay.
This is
Guys, when you come here, definitely get the peanut butter swirl. It tastes like Reese's.
yes, like it's so delicious. Like it was just a burst of
Flavor in your mouth. Your taste buds was doing a happy dance.
If you guys liked our, Rock City, Incline Railway, Ruby Falls, just comment down below because these 3 places was like really cool. And you remember, let us know about zip lining.
These are crybaby sour mini drinks. And I tasted the regular ones before, so let's try the crybaby. Got it. It's super sour. Ooh. It tastes like the crybaby's bubble gum, blue raspberry. But I like it. It's super sour though. Like I'm gonna start crying.
Z-Gang, this is awesome. It's really delicious. This is double chocolate chip frappe with whipped cream and chocolate sauce. It's really good.